got one on the ground here. And so if you are ready, let's go ahead and begin. So let's go ahead and take that resistance band and let's roll onto our back here. Okay, so we are going to place that resistance band underneath our right foot here. And we are going to begin with a Pilates move known as the D. So we are going to be drawing a D with our right foot. So we are coming out into a kind of half circle here, and then we are coming straight up to the top. So we are doing this move for a full minute. I really like these resistance band workouts. It gives us something to change it up with. And this one is a great move to do it with. This will also help you with your flexibility. So if you can't come out as low as I can, that's fine. Just do what you can. And we are just doing this. And then after we do this for a minute, we will be switching and reversing that circle. So let's come up and out to the side and up and out to the side. It is such a nice day out today. We got some blue skies, a little bit of clouds, but mostly sunny. And it's really hot out here. I think it's like in the 80s or 90s. Don't get sunburnt. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so now we're going to reverse that D. So starting from down here with our leg, we are going to come up, around, and down. Out, and around, and down. So once again, if you don't have that resistance band, you can always just do these moves without it. These moves will still be effective in toning that leg. So for this move, I can really feel this in my inner thighs here, as well as a little bit of those outer thighs. This is a great move to really tone up that whole leg. So we're coming out and around and down. And how do you like all of the super cute plants that I have around here? Super adorable. I like all the pots and vases they're in. Super cute. And y'all are doing great. So if y'all haven't seen the other resistance band videos that I have done, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, we can take that leg, that right foot out of that resistance band, and now we're going to switch over to that left side. So we're going to take that resistance band and place it right behind that left foot, and we are going to be doing those D's on the left side here. So we are coming out into that half circle, and then we are coming up. So down and around in the half circle, and then up. So this one is kind of like the reverse version of the D, a flipped D. So we're coming out and around and up, and out and around and up. So you can have your other leg, the other leg that's not working right now, you can have it up like this, you can have it down on the ground, really whatever works best for you. Once again, if you can't come as low as I can, that's fine. You just work at your own pace. Y'all are doing a great job. Keep up the great work. And up and around, and up and around. And y'all be sure to stretch after you finish this workout. There are a ton of stretch videos on my channel, so be sure to check out that playlist. And as I was saying earlier, if you haven't seen the resistance band workout videos that I have done, y'all should be sure to check those out, because there's a whole bunch and there's a lot of great moves on there that y'all can be doing. So be sure to come up and down and around and up and down and around. How do y'all like my outfit? This shirt is super cute. There's a lot of like little flowers on it. Cool. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so now we are going to reverse that D, that reverse D. So we are coming out, around, and down. So up and around and down. So that half circle, we are really lifting up, and then we are dropping that leg down. So there's a lot of different resistance bands out there. Some have like heavy resistance, some are very loose and makes it easier to move. resistance band that fits best with whatever you're doing, whatever suits your needs best. You know your body best. I like this yellow color. It's super bright, like sunshiny, perfect for like spring and summer color. So we're going up and down, out and around and up and down. So I can really feel this move. How about y'all? Be sure to leave me a comment down below letting me know if y'all like this workout and what your favorite move was. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, you can take that resistance band out of that leg. Okay, so for our next move, we are going to do windshield wipers. You can bring that resistance band right beneath that right foot here. You can bring that right leg up in the air, and we are going to windshield wipe our leg. We're going to bring it out to the right, and then we're going to bring it across, over crossing our body. So this is what I like to call the windshield wiper legs. So we are alternately bringing our leg over to the right side, opening it up, and then bringing it over to the left side. So this move is also a great move to do a little bit of stretching as well. So I can really feel this opening up with my hip flexor here, and I can really feel this working my inner thighs here. So you can also do this move without the resistance band, just whatever you feel like doing. If you don't have the resistance band, it's totally fine. You can still get a good workout in. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, now we're going to switch. So we're going to bring that resistance band up behind our left foot here. And same thing applies here. So we're going to bring that left leg all the way out. And then we are going to stretch and bring it across our body here. So windshield wipering that leg to the left and to the right. I really like this move because this is a great move to work on those inner thighs. And I also have a whole bunch of inner thigh workouts. If you haven't seen those, be sure to do so. Yes, we have a whole bunch of resistance band workouts already. We have a standing leg one, which I highly recommend if you haven't seen that. We have one for our abs and one for our arms. And there will be more coming out soon, so be sure to check those out. Y'all are doing such a great job. Keep up the great work. We just have a few more to go on this move. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, you can bring that down. And next, we are going to do leg extensions. So you can bring both feet here for now. We are going to take that right foot, bring it up behind that resistance band, and we are just going to directly extend that leg out. So we are extending the leg and then pulling it right back in. So you make sure to flex that right foot here. So we are extending and bringing it in, extending and bringing it in. We are doing this move for 1 minute. This is a great move to also tone up that leg. So bring it out and bring it in. Bring it out and bring it in. And be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you are still watching. That helps you to get more videos like this, and it also helps out my channel. And subscribe if you are not already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. So the birds are really chirping out here today. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so now we are going to bring that resistance band right behind our left foot here. So we are going to go ahead and begin now by extending that left leg out and bring it in. Make sure that you are flexing that foot here. And so really work on pushing from the leg. Make sure that this move really works that leg. So we are extending and bringing that in. Extending the leg and bringing the knee in. Y'all are doing such a great job. So after we finish this move, we are going to do one more move, and then we will be done with this workout. Y'all are doing such a great job. I'm so proud of y'all for sticking through with this workout here. So if y'all want to do this a few more times, if this is your only workout for today, go ahead and do so. That'd be great. If not, you can always create your own workout. There's a lot of different workout videos to choose from my channel. You can follow along with them, create your own playlist to create your own customized workout. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so for our last move, we are going to bring both of those feet in resistance in here, and we are going to do leg extensions with both of those legs. So bring our knees in, and we bring them out. So this move also works that core, so be sure to squeeze your abs, because this move also works those lower abs here. So extend out and bring in. And let me know in the comments below if you think my sunglasses and my lipstick and my shirt makes me look like Wendy from Sandlot. I think I do. Sunglasses and lipstick really make it look like so. I love that movie. Alright, so just keep extending and bring it. So be sure to flex those feet the entire time as we extend those legs out, and then we bring our knees back. So extend and out. And once again, a reminder for y'all to stretch after you finish this workout. Y'all are doing great. Just keep up the great work. You're almost done. You can do this. I have faith in y'all that y'all can complete this workout. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, you can bring that resistance band because this officially concludes this workout. Congrats on finishing this workout. I'm super proud of y'all. Be sure to like down below, subscribe, hit that red subscribe button and that notification bell if you are not already, and leave me a comment below. I love replying to all of y'all's comments, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Be sure to stay tuned for the Friday dance workouts and the Monday regular fitness videos. Have a great day. Bye.